Yeah, Jennifer, Jamie Knoll is now facing 31 felony charges in the massive corruption case against him. Now, he was in court today to be arraigned on 6 of those new felony counts related to alleged thefts from the departments that he ran. But of course, much more came out in the hearing, including Knoll's cash bond being raised to more than $1 million. Now, the hearing started off very simple. The judge read off Knoll's 5 new felony theft charges and 1 count of money laundering. He's already facing a slew of charges, from ghost employment to official misconduct for allegedly misusing millions of dollars from the Clark County Sheriff's Department, the Utica Township Fire Association, and New Chapel EMS. He's pled guilty to all 31 charges. Now, the turning point in court today happened during the bond discussion. Prosecutors argued for Knoll's bond to be increased for these new charges, saying the key factor is he continued using the fire department's credit card after his November arrest. That's when back and forth began between Knoll's attorney and counsel for Utica Township Fire, who was sitting in the audience.
Does Mr. Knoll still have access to the Utica Township credit cards?
No, Your Honor.
He hasn't for a lengthy period of time, Judge.
I'm sorry?
He has not for a lengthy period of time had access to the credit card.
Your Honor, my client cannot confirm, we cannot get any,
This
Judge,
Ms. Peters has no standing.
he said anybody who wanted to answer. I'm trying to answer.
Your Honor, I do not believe that at any point the court says anybody who wants to answer includes anybody sitting around that may or may not have a law degree.
Never had access to.
The judge then called Heather Peters, the general counsel, to the witness stand. She said the department cannot access the credit card account to confirm if Knoll or any other card holders are still using it or not. Now, the hearing continued and ultimately concluded with the judge setting Knoll's bond at $1.5 million cash. But he lit into Knoll before setting that, saying while people are struggling to make ends meet, Knoll allegedly is living the high life with money that is not his.
With all these luxuries and all the money that you've allegedly taken, I'm thinking about $1.5 million in bond ought to be appropriate. You should be able to post that with no problems with everything that you have.
Now, Knoll has 5 days of his 60-day sentence in Scott County Jail after being found in contempt of court. Now, I did reach out to his attorney to see if that cash bond will be posted, and I'm still waiting to hear back. Now, looking ahead, the entire Knoll family, including his wife and daughter, who are also charged in this case, are due back in court on June 21st. Live outside the Clark County Courthouse, I'm Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.